Hello children, Standard 3rd subject EVS, and today we are going to learn about lesson number 14 inside the kitchen. Can you tell? This picture shows puris being made. Puris have to be fried. Wood is being burned to obtain the heat for frying. Look at the pictures below and give similar informations. Dear children, in these pictures are gave three pictures, and three pictures also doing something for frying and roasting and boiling, but three pictures also want the heat. Then next point is, how do we prepare food items? People prepare a variety of food items according to their liking. They use a variety of ingredients for the purpose like rice, wheat, pulses, vegetables and fruits, eggs, meats and fish. Many of our food items are prepared by heating. The cooked rice, we add water to the rice and boil it. Puris, pakodas are fried. Oil or ghee is used to fry them. Modaks and idlis are steamed. Chapatis and bhakris are roasted. Food truffs become tastier and easier to digest when prepared by a heating them. You understand, children? Good. However, not all foodstuffs are prepared by heating. We eat some of them raw, that is uncooked. We eat fruits mostly without cooking. We also eat vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes raw. A cucumber salad or a banana shake are made without heating. Dear children, you saw at home so many things without cooking, without heating, we are eat. Vegetables means tomatoes, then carrots, radish, onions, cucumber. This one eat also without cooking and heating. And fruits means apple, banana, papaya, watermelon. Fruit also eat without cooking. Do you understand, children? Good. Next point is, have you noticed? Number 1, papad may be roasted or it may be fried. Take two papads of the same kind, roast one, fry the other. What is the differences is in their taste? Which do you like better? Dear children, you tell your mommy, please roast the one papad and second is a fry. And you eat and tell to the teacher which is the best for eating. Do you understand, children? Good. Number 2, peanuts may be eaten plain or roasted. What is the differences in their taste? Now, you know peanuts means peanuts all this one also you tell your mummy peanuts first to plain you eat and then afterwards you roasted also eat. Which is a better? Roasted peanuts is a better and taste also very best. Number 3, what is the differences in the taste of the raw potato and boiled potato? Raw potato is a not good, but boiled potato is a very good for tasting. Do you understand, children? Good. The next point is method of supplying heat for cooking. We can choose from various fuels to supply the heat needed for cooking. Nowadays, many people prepare to use cooking gas as fuel. It is easy to use. It lights quickly. It does not give out smoke. Cooking on gas also saves time. Some people use firewood for cooking. Burning wood is a troublesome task. It also makes a lot of smoke. Besides, trees have to be cut for wood that is harmful for environment. Now you go to the village and so many houses are used for the burning the wood and so many lot of smoke also coming. This one, but now we are today is a very nowadays are very good for cooking, means each and every house coming for gas, then cooking also on gas and save the time also. Then some people use a coal burning stove shaggy. Coal means, you know children, yeah, black color is a black. Coal also give out smoke. This who use fuels like wood or coal that give out smoke must have window in their kitchen. That way we get a lot of light and also prevent smoke from collecting in the house. Now you use this coal burning stove, then in the kitchens near also one window also one, then so much light also coming and smoke also easily going to outside. Do you understand children? Good. Some people use kerosene stove for cooking. Nowadays we also get the hot plates for cooking on electricity. They are very convenient to use. Some people use biogas. Some people use the heat from the sun for cooking. They use the solar cooker. Now, dear children, you go to the village area, many people are used for kerosene stove and kerosene stove with the wicks. In the pictures also gave their miss number 1 is the kerosene stove and kerosene stove there. Then now in the city areas you coming, the electric hot plates are coming. Your mummy also use this electric hot plate, and then some solar cookers, biogas also used for cooking the food. Do you understand children? Good. Dear children, what we have learned this lesson. Number 1, we cook food by heating. It makes the food tastier and easier to digest. Number 2, boiling, steaming, frying and roasting are some of the different ways of preventing heat. Number 3, salads and milkshakes are examples of food items that are prepared without heating. Number 4, there are the various kinds of stove which make it convenient to burn fuel to obtain heat for cooking. And last, number 5, electricity and heat from the sun can also be used to obtain heat for cooking. Do you understand children? Good. And always you remember, using wood or coal as a fuel causes harm to the trees in our environment.